The 1957 Ford F100 4x4 stands as a bold symbol of American craftsmanship, utility, and timeless design. In an era when trucks were purely tools of the trade, the F100 brought style to strength, merging a rugged build with an unmistakable presence on and off the road. What made the 1957 model particularly special was the introduction of a factory-installed four-wheel drive system, a major milestone in Ford's history. Before this, 4x4 systems were mainly installed by third-party companies like Marmon Harrington, but Ford took matters into its own hands, offering customers unmatched reliability straight from the production line. One glance at the 1957 F100 and it's clear why it has become such a classic. Its wide, aggressive front end was framed by dual-round headlights and a bold grille that proudly wore the Ford lettering. The clean body lines, flared fenders, and smooth curves gave it a tough yet refined look. The truck's bed was built to haul, and the suspension was designed to handle unforgiving terrain. Whether it was snow-covered fields, muddy farms, or rocky trails, the F100 4x4 got the job done with confidence and control. Beneath the hood, the 1957 F100 came with a range of engine options, including the popular 272 cubic inch Y-block V8, which produced around 171 horsepower and had enough low-end torque to pull heavy loads with ease. Mated to a manual transmission, this truck gave drivers a real, mechanical connection to the road. It was all about raw power and responsiveness, a pure driving experience that's rare in today's world of computer-controlled vehicles. Step inside the cabin, and you're met with utilitarian charm. The bench seat was wide enough for 3 adults, and the metal dash was painted to match the exterior, adding a touch of style to its otherwise practical layout. The gauges were simple and direct: fuel, temperature, oil pressure, all the essentials you'd need without the clutter. There were no screens, no electronics, just pure mechanical function and feel. The steering wheel was large, and every shift of the gear lever gave a solid, satisfying click. It's the kind of driving experience that brings a smile to your face and a connection to the road that modern trucks just can't replicate. Today, the 1957 Ford F100 4x4 holds a legendary place in automotive history. Restored examples turn heads at car shows and bring high bids at auctions, while unrestored survivors carry stories written in rust and wear. Every dent, scratch, and creak in the floorboards tells a story of hard work and adventure. It's more than a truck, it's a time capsule of American grit, innovation, and style. Enthusiasts who own one know they're holding onto a piece of history, a vehicle that represents the spirit of independence and toughness. The Ford F100 4x4 from 1957 isn't just a vintage pickup, it's a reminder of an era when things were built to last, when driving was about feeling the road, and when every mile meant something. Whether it's roaring down a back road or parked at a show gleaming under the sun, the F100 commands respect. It's a true legend, and it's one we'll always celebrate.